crappy wife. But I love her. Okay, so today is going to be a wonderful, wonderful day because I'm going to do this. This is going to be pre-recorded. Like Jimmy Kimmel, he pre-records his stuff sometimes, or it's recorded earlier tonight. But tonight is tonight and tomorrow is tomorrow, so this is pre-recorded. Anyhow, I got a few things to go over. And as usual, I got to do my shout-outs. A shout-out to my buddy Dave at Booze on the Rocks. Dave, I really enjoy your last one, The Gunslinger. You made it better than me. And your editing and your cuts were awesome. They were awesome, Dave. Really appreciate it. All the love to you, Dave.
Fantastic, Dave.
And another shout out to Dude's Kitchen and Grill. Hey, dude, how you doing? We got to get in that kitchen and start the grill, okay? And a new subscriber, Slurpy Dave, Pubs, Beer, and Jokes, IOM, or 1OM, or 10M. I don't know. It's one of those. But I'm going to put it down below, and you can get his link right down here, whatever it is it's going to be. And those are my shout-outs for the day. But I got one more shout-out to give, and that's to Maui Karen Ann. Get on her channel and watch her stuff. She does some cool stuff. She does cooking sometimes, once in a while, but she does mostly painting. Today's going to be the hole in the wall. Now, you heard of Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid? Well, their hideout was the hole in the wall. I don't know what hole it was or what wall it was or anything, but it was the hole in the wall, not a restaurant. It's a hole in the wall cocktail. You've heard of the hole in the wall restaurant before. Yeah, she's shaking her head yes. So, and one more thing. Would you believe that you might need a licensed electrician to change a light bulb?
No, where?
Victoria, Australia. You need a licensed electrician
To change your light bulb.
to change a light bulb. You might need 3. You want to hold the light bulb and 2 more to spin the chair, right?
I think so.
In Indonesia, the punishment for masturbation is death by decapitation. Well, what do they cut off, your head? Oh, you little Johnson.
Oh, dear.
Oh, dear. That's the punishment for masturbation in Indonesia. Let's get making a drink, shall we? We're going to do this. Whoop. Maui Karen Ann brought me down my measuring glass. I'm going to put in 3/4 of an ounce of limoncello. Three-quarters of an ounce of limoncello. Oh, that smells so good. That smells so good. And half an ounce of tequila.
Ooh, boy, my fave.
Yep, Karen loves the tequila. Half an ounce of tequila. And whoa, I got the good stuff. Everclear.
Oh,
One ounce of Everclear.
Put hair on your chest.
Put hair on whatever. Put hair on your legs. Put hair on your pits.
Oh, that's
Put hair on your soup.
That's not a good thought.
No, it's not. 1 ounce of vodka. House organic vodka. Right out of Fort Collins, Colorado.
From
Cheryl and Andy. Karen always likes me to add the from parts. And I need a half an ounce of lemon juice.
No, that's
Of
not
mine. Well, how come I get mistakes all the time?
I don't know. It's not.
Have I drank today?
No.
Oh, yeah, I did this morning.
No.
I didn't?
No. Coffee.
I had coffee, but I had Jameson's in my coffee.
Yeah, Jameson's.
Oh, no, I had, right on the nose. Half an ounce of lime juice. half an ounce of lime juice. My God. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to muddle my strawberries. Anyhow, we're going to muddle some strawberries in there, folks. While I'm muddling, you be muddling this over. I'm muddling some strawberries in there. What do I need next? I need my simple syrup next. Half an ounce of simple syrup. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Wow, awesome. Do you believe that? You need a licensed electrician. I can't believe I forgot to muddle my strawberries. Put ice in it. Put your cap on it. And you shake. Bang! Ooh, baby. Whoa! I already had ice in there. I didn't strain it, I just poured it in. Lime wedge for my friend Cam. This is delicious. This is delicious. It's so good. This is one of the better drinks because I think maybe it's the strawberries, the fresh strawberries. But this drink is good. And I also got a lime wedgie for garnish. And I got palm trees on my cup, on my glass, or whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, Cocktail Tony, don't forget, get a vaccine so you don't get the unvaccinated people getting you. And wear a mask and social distance and call your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.